Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video. Do follow my Instagram account for daily update as well. So today friends, we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Guys, just look at the packaging of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. It's so unique and sublime. I just love the packaging. It's just amazing. Let's get into the detail later on. First, let's unbox Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Samsung is known for its marvelous looks from the time of inception. Samsung is ready to impress you once again with an extremely good-looking and sleek smartphone. With a pretty rose gold color. It has metal body, well improved S Pen. Sharp corners, squarish. Sensor is extremely fast with 120 Hz refresh rate. Amazing brightness. Samsung's implementation is the best. The phone comes with ultra-fast charger and works wonder. The phone comes along with jet black colored headphones. It has versatile setup for cameras. 108 megapixel camera, industry's leading. Performance is top-notched. SIM card tray consists of SD card, nano SIM, eSIM. And yes, let's not forget the phone comes along with some instruction and guide booklet. Let's talk about some unique upgraded and general features of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. The battery life of Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G has to offer is 4500 mAh. It also contains a fast charging 25-volt charger. It also has an option for wireless charging. 5G comes with a Snapdragon 865 Plus Exynos 990 processor with RAM of 8 MB. The storage capacity of the phone is 256 or highest 512. Let's talk about S Pen. Let me tell you, this is way more than just a tool to write with. If you click and hold down on the pen while your phone is locked, it automatically opens the camera. Then to click pictures, just click the button or double click it to change it into selfie mode. This smartphone is pure gem. Every feature of the phone, the color, the display, the S Pen is so phenomenal. The ultimate power phone. The power to impress, the power to work. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I strongly recommend this phone as it's a spectacular phone with its long-lasting battery and magnificent look. I would really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe the channel with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye for now.